How to see if message was read on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Google Messages on a device. Now tap on Messages. Now tap on Profile at the top right corner. Now go to Messages Settings and tap on General. Now under General Settings, tap on RCS Chats. Now simply enable the toggle for RCS Chats. Now set up RCS. Now under RCS chats, you will find an option for send with receipts. Now simply enable this toggle. Now if the other person reads a message, you will get a seen text under your message. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.